613 26-inch body wave. I got it from AliExpress, and the vendor name is Ali Monica. This hair definitely needs some toning, so we're going to use Color Charm by Wella. We're using 20 volume developer today. That's actually what they recommend on the bottle as well. So I already put the mixture in the bowl with the developer. I put 2 caps, not caps. I put 2 bottles, like I poured it in the bottle. Because I didn't show you because I was making a TikTok, so my bad. I'm gonna demonstrate again. I have this this color, and I'm just gonna demonstrate again. So I rinsed this bowl out, and we're gonna T18. It's gonna be lightest ash blonde to the hair. So we're adding this to this. And we're gonna add the 20 developer. So the box say add 2 bottles of the 20 developer, and you pour it in. And we're just gonna mix it up. I wind up just slapping my hand in the mixture and then slapping it on the wheel. You know what I'm saying? So it's been like 10 minutes, and this is what it's looking like so far. It's like a grayish brown. I let it sit for about 45 minutes. I forgot to do this part in the beginning, this purple shampoo, but I did it afterwards. I don't know if it made a difference. I started my wig thingy. What is it called? I'm just letting it dry. I use my Baby Bliss Pro why can't I think today? Something's going on mentally. They make this shit look easy. It's hard as hell. I cut everything off. I'm using 70% alcohol. I hope this is right, because I don't really do the bald cap method a lot, but whatever. Let's go get my makeup. Regular old Ghost Bond glue. This is better wet. I like it wet. Just to lay it down. At my hot comb right now, and I'm going to get my wax stick and my Got To Be glue. Wax stick. So I did my edges off camera because I was too pressured, because I don't know how to do edges, and if it comes out fucked up, I'm gonna be mad. Next part, I am doing my curls. So, and I'm also doing a TikTok, you guys, so follow me on TikTok at Angie World. Curling it, and I pinned it up. So it's not perfect, but I'm not perfect. Nobody's perfect.